Hi everybody, in this video we're going to talk about how to work on your group solar system project in your Google Slides and how to access it through Google Classroom. So step one, we're going to sign into our technology class, and if you were your group's captain last week, the captains are going to press open for their solar system presentation assignment, and when the captains scroll down they will have a link here that has their name on it that goes to their Google Slideshow. Now, I wasn't the captain last time, so I'm going to use the white arrow to go back to the classroom stream. Because I wasn't the captain, my assignment is not here with the open button. So I'm going to have to go to open up a new tab. And in the new tab, I'm going to go to hutchingscomputerlab.com because I am going to access my student Google account. And I'm going to log into my student Google account. I'm going to have to look for that presentation that was shared with me. Now that presentation is not going to be found in my drive because I didn't create it. Someone else did and they shared it with me. So I'm going to click on Shared with Me, and at the top should be a link to your solar system assignment. It might be in list view, so it might look like this, or it might be in grid view, so it might look like this. Either way, you're going to double click on that presentation to bring it up. Now once the solar system slideshow is brought up and it's up on your screen, you guys are going to have to work together to figure out who is making which slide, who is creating which slide. So once I find the slide that I was responsible for, I am going to head back over to my Google Classroom tab, and I am going to go back to one of the top two links where I was researching my information. I remember I was using this link last time. I'm going to go back to the presentation. I'm researching the planet Saturn. So now I will open up the tab that I was getting my facts from, and I'm going to click Planets at the top, and I'm going to open up Saturn's page. Now this is where I can go back and forth between my presentation with the yellow and white icon to my research link on this tab. I'm going to press Read More to learn more about Saturn. And then when I find what I think is an important fact about Saturn, I'm going to add that to my presentation. I found here that the length of day on Saturn, wow, 1 year on Saturn is equal to 29 years on Earth. So that's a fact that I'm going to add. I will navigate back to my presentation tab, and I will enter the fact 1 year on Saturn is equal to 29 years on Earth. I noticed that this font was different, so I'm going to select the font I have on the top here and use my format painter. Highlight this to make it have the same font. Now the other thing we need to do down here is we need to have a link to the website where we got our information from. So I'm going to head back over to my my tab that had the information on it. I'm going to right click on the address bar. I'm going to copy that web address. This is where I had my information from to cite my source. I'm going to go back to my presentation. I do not want to paste the link here. I want to use Enter a couple times and go down. And down here I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste that web address on my screen. And this is not an active link yet, it's just text. So I'm going to press 1 spacebar after the link, and that will turn this into an active link. And now when someone clicks on that link, they can open up that web page. And I noticed on some of my partners' slides, they did not do the spacebar to turn theirs into a link. So if we have something like this, we'll have to do a spacebar, and that will turn these links into active links. Spacebar after them. So that's how we're going to find and work on our assignment in Google Classroom.